So this morning, doing a pressure reel swivel replacement, and I've already loosened up the set screw. That's a 7/16 box end is what it requires to get that loose. And I recommend spraying that every once in a while when you have your hose all the way out. Spray that with some WD-40 so it doesn't get locked in there, and then when you go to take it off, it snaps. That causes a whole world of problems. But anyways, so I loosened that up and I pulled the swivel out the back side, but because it's so close, it wouldn't come out. So now with an 11/16 ratchet style open end, box end, I've got that in here and I've already loosened it up. So I got to take it off to get it all the way out of the hose reel leg. Yes, I got to cut my fingernails. Now that is very common pressure wash part. Some of them, a lot of the pressure wash parts are 1/4 inch. This happens to be 3/8 inch threading here, and this is a BST N3M, and then the counterpart would be is a BST3. Now these are Parker fittings and Parker numbers, and what I found out is, although I love and I only use Parker QDs for the wand and pressure line, you can get these in Hansen, you can get these in Foster's. I think that's the same thing, Foster Hansen. But anyways, these are very common parts. A BST3, 3 standing for 3/8, and a BST N3M, and they're straight through fittings like that. There's no check valves in there. That's the standard. That's the way Butler set them up, and that's what you should have on here. I've seen some guys will have the regular 1/4 inch QDs with a check valve in there, and that's not right, because you're stifling down the flow coming out to your wand, plus the check valve style could cause issues. So that's loose. Pull it right back out. You gotta twist it a little bit and bring it out here. There it is. There's a swivel. This customer sent me a video of it leaking. That even doesn't even look that old. Well, I'll take it off and we'll examine a little closer. That does seem to be a little looser than what I'm used to with brand new ones. Of course, it's been used a minute, but we'll take it off and examine a little closer. Okay, so we got the other swivel off. I inspected it, but there's no real telltale signs of it leaking, except for a short video and some pictures my customer sent me. So we're going to replace it. Now this is a 7/8. A crescent wrench works too. But 7/8, and then, by the way, these 3/8 fittings, which this is a 3/8 street L, They are also 7/8, so you can use two 7/8 wrenches if you have them. Now, I usually always replace these in sets. And so when you put a new swivel on, because that O-ring will go bad, or this will get all chewed up by the ball bearings in there, especially if you're running at higher pressures. For some of you guys doing tile and grout, you'll run at a little higher pressures, and this will get all chewed up by the ball bearings inside of here. So I'm going to replace this just so you didn't have to worry about that, or I don't have to worry about it when I spin the hose on and find that it's leaking. Now, like I said, my cuties that I use on the wands and pressure line and all the Butlers inside the Butler cabinet and whatnot are typically Parker, but these I find are interchangeable with Parker. I don't see Parker's lasting any longer than this. Happens to be a Dixon, both male and female, and so that's just easy, right? Now I have to put this back on the same way I took it off. When you're putting Teflon tape on, you hold the fitting in your left hand, start at the top and start wrapping around and wrap away from you like this. And you'll never have that Teflon tape peel off as you start spinning it onto the fitting. So bear with me. Up here where you can see. So once it's in, the new fitting is in, the new swivel, and I lock that down. And you see a flat spot. See that flat spot right here? That's where you want to line that up with that set screw. I got big hands, but I could still fit my fingers in there to get the fitting started. Alright, so the Parker fitting is 11/16. This Dixon fitting is 3/4. So we'll get that going. That's in place. Nice new swivel, nice new QD, and I'm going to replace this QD as well. Sorry. Bear with me. All right. Okay, so I always put a little bit of, whenever I take a QD apart, I put a little bit of white lithium grease around the fitting. I might even put some inside of the female, just so it can help lubricate. Boom, done. I took all of, well, my video's 12 minutes and I had it shut off for a minute or two, but that's how you do a Butler pressure reel swivel. Thanks for watching.